Question 5, you're asked to graph the data showing someone's training program and their progression in their program. Now they start, or A is equal to 200, and they've got a common difference by the looks of it of 50. So very quickly we can start with the table and showing the progression of their program. Now if we're asked to graph that, then what we would start with, something along the following lines using grid paper. Please notice in a test or an exam, or perhaps an assignment, you're quite often given graph paper to work with. So that's his distance, and that's the day number on the x-axis. Now the feature that shows we've got a linear increase is, as with our formula sheet, we've got a positive d, or d is greater than 0, and you can see the increase as a result. Now if I'm going to describe this using an arithmetic sequence, this is how I'd go about doing it. So t to the n is equal to a plus n minus 1 lots of d. A is 50, and 200 I should say, and d is equal to 50. So 50n plus 150 would be the equation. And on the 12th day, 50 times 12 plus 150 would get 750 metres. Now, part F, you're finding the sum over the course of the 12 days. And when you do that, we'll find it's 5,700. But I'd like to take you through how we can do that on the sequence generator. I'm just going to swap that around. And we enter the sequence 50n plus 150. And you can see the 200 through to the 750 and the 5,700. And with a little bit of tweaking, we can enter that into our sequence generator. We can find the table. Once the table's generated, we can then generate a graph. Now please notice, until you've generated the graph, you won't be able to see the data points. And just tracing along, we can see the arithmetic progression graphically shown.